how to create a family federation for world peace.
What would it look like?
What would it look like? I think no matter what externally it looks like, but it is a community which will be continuously using peacemaking skills, problem-solving skills, condition-making, paying forward for problems for the sake of world peace, for the sake of bringing peace in a small part where you work, where you live, whatever you are doing, that you can infuse making peace there and then from there expand it. Because basically to talk about peacemaking without addressing issues, resentments in the family, without addressing problems you face in work situations or anything else, it will always be the root of all the global conflicts. So the idea to establish a family which can raise children which have no more resentments towards their parents, towards their past, or towards each other as siblings, we really feel like we should make a big investment to study and heal families, because that's really where the root long-term we can make a difference. And it's never lost, because when you invest in a family and your family goes to the spirit world, the quality of the relationships you create will always be existing eternally. So myself, I've been just working on actually researching a tool which is called the Family Relationship Inventory, where you could actually meet with a family and take a profile, where is that family, and then start working on the difficult relationships or communication problems or a forgiveness ceremony or whatever we would have to create to really start focusing on healing families, healing relationships, giving communication skills, giving conflict resolution skills, that nucleus of the family can be saved, and from that experience, incredible power is unleashed to bring peace in the world. But sometimes people have to go out to the world first and then sometimes come back and heal the family again. So you can't always just circle around the same thing. You know, there has to be sometimes a time frame. Like young people, sometimes you have to let them go, and when they come back, you can work with them again a little bit. So I think that's really how to establish a federation of families, healthy families, which includes also healthy financial families, right? The second part also, families centered on the same purpose, which is serving God and serving each other, and out of those relationships you can have the idea for peace in the world. I think Kukuchinim's idea again about the Freedom Society, that it is the responsibility is much more on fulfilling the responsibility than other people governing you in how to do that, but let people have the freedom to be those creators and respect them as being creative, to really make a difference in their own family and then help other families, coach other families and reach out. It's this continuous act of improving yourself and then sharing it with others, improving yourself and sharing it with others. Because the essence of our teaching will always go back to the 3 blessings and the 4 position foundation. There will be never an excuse for that. It will be never an excuse for that. And I just had my own experience seeing my own daughter at the 8-day ceremony, seeing that 4 position foundation incarnate, where you feel that really the ancestors can be there, angels are there, gods can be there, because it is so pure and so full of unconditional love that there's nothing there for Satan to claim, and God's presence is really there. And it is so beautiful. Out of that, I realized again how incredible Father's teaching about the holiness of the family, the 4 position fulfillment, the incarnation of the 4 position foundation on earth really is. And when that is really solidified with God and solid in the clan, in the tribe. It is incredible what still can happen in the future. And we always have to remember that those things, they last eternally, because the relationships of love, that's really what the spirit world is made about. And from the spirit world we can come back and work on that thing. So it's never ending.